Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add headers and footers in Google Doc using your Windows PC. First, open your document at docs.google.com and place the cursor where you want the header or footer to apply. Next, click Insert on the top menu, hover over Headers and Footers and choose Header or Footer depending on what you wish to insert. Then, type the text you want. For example, the title, the name of an author or page number, and use the toolbar to format the font size, alignment, or the font. After that, if you need a different first page header, click Options, Different First Page inside the header/the footer box, or adjust header format to change margins and spacing. Finally, click anywhere outside the header or footer to return to the body of the document. To remove a header or footer later, open it, delete its contents, and click outside to save. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.